Sonam, you are basically the Lal Pari of Bollywood this year.
I think I was blessed to meet some really talented, visionary.
In this film, the most prominent entity, the only star in this film was and is Sonam Bajwa, so she's just being nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cute. But you know, this film, as you can see, you know, it's also running in the trailer is running in the backdrop. It's also a lot about close-up shots, you know, which means you have to be really, really clear about what the emotions should be portrayed. How big a challenge is that? A film that
That's very nice
That's a very
of you
good
to
question.
even notice
I'm
that.
saying wow because it's a really good question.
Yeah.
So do you think अगर थामा नहीं होता, so the film would have done even better commercially?
Sure, 100%. 100% हम 25 करोड़ पे खुलते हैं पहले दिन। और मैंने हर्ष को प्रॉमिस किया कि मैं जब भी पिक्चर बनाऊंगा हर्ष के साथ हम एक हॉलीडे पे ही आएंगे।
There are more films incoming.
Yeah,
हाँ एक
The three of you
he's planned
together.
something
Right.
छोटी फिल्मों के
तो
लिए।
अब
Oh,
अब
look
जो
at
नेक्स्ट
these guys.
अगली भी हमारी जो फिल्म है वो छोटी है और लोग डर रहे हैं कि अगली पिक्चर में हुई तो ये फिर मार देगी इसको। तो
I want to live in the next film. डायलॉग ये है कि सोनम तुम हमेशा कहती थी कि मैं तुम्हारी जिंदगी का रावण हूँ, मैं इतिहास का पहला रावण हूँ जो सीता को घर छोड़ के आया।
Woohoo! प्यार प्यार क्या है? काश इसका कोई एक डेफिनेट आंसर होता। वेल, एक तरफ है टर्म सच एज घोस्टिंग एंड ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग और दूसरी तरफ है जुनूनी मोहब्बत। बट डज जुनूनी मोहब्बत इवन एग्जिस्ट? लेट्स फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम द टीम ऑफ एक दीवानी की दीवानियत। हाय हर्षवर्धन, हाय सोनम एंड द प्रोड्यूसर अंशुल गर्ग, हाउ आर यू?
Good, how are you?
Good, very good. I mean, is it the glow of the success of the film? And how are you taking it in? How is the feeling?
The person who is blowing the most.
It's a great feeling. Of course, it's my first film.
Yeah.
And पहली पिक्चर इस तरीके से इतनी बड़ी हिट हो गई है। I'm processing it still, but I'm loving it. पूरा मैंने जो म्यूज़िक बनाया था पिक्चर का वो म्यूज़िक पूरा हिट हो गया है। Now people are going to the theaters and they are loving the film. So I'm thankful to God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a big risk, Anshul, given that, you know, love stories have a very 50-50 chance of working and not working. And given it's your debut project as a producer, did you think about the risks that were involved?
Risks, of course, I had thought about it, but I knew that it's a love story and I've produced almost 200 songs till now and out of which I've given 100 hits. So मुझे ये at least मुझे first जो thought था वो ये था कि I know that my music in this film will do well. And हमने एक छोटे बजट की फिल्म बनाई है तो हमने कंट्रोल्ड रिस्क लिया, इसमें 25 करोड़ का रिस्क लिया। एंड जिस तरीके से इसका म्यूज़िक जा रहा है आई एम एमिंग दैट विद इन अ ईयर वील रिकवर दैट मनी फ्रॉम द म्यूज़िक इटसेल्फ। तो जहाँ तक रिस्क की बात है आई थिंक हम रिस्क फ्री हो चुके हैं इस पिक्चर में।
Yes.
और फिर जो बॉक्स ऑफिस के नंबर आ रहे हैं आज हम 60 करोड़ पहुँच जाएंगे विच इज़ वो बहुत कमाल है। मतलब ऑडियंस ने इतना प्यार दिया इस फिल्म को एंड हमारे विजन को वो थिएटर्स में जाके उन्होंने हमारे विजन को ट्रस्ट किया और वो थिएटर्स में गए, पिक्चर को देखा एंड द वे दे आर कमिंग आउट एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिल्म, इट्स अमेजिंग।
Right. Harshvardhan, what's your take on it? How are you taking in all the admiration and love and you know the success of a new film?
By taking checks. मतलब as an actor, one always just wants to be a part of a successful machinery, and that's my dream since always. And he took a big risk. और जब वो रिस्क की बात करते मुझे लगता मुझे ना देखने लगे हूँ बिकॉज मेरी जब फेब में फिल्म रिलीज़ हुई थी, चली भी थी सनम तेरी कसम जब रिलीज़ हुई थी, तो कई 99% इंडस्ट्री के लोगों ने कहा था ये फ्लूक है और ये तुक्के से चला है। So all the credit goes to him, and I hope all the other producers start following, you know, people like him who have a spine and take such gut feeling based, instinct based decisions.
Of course. Sonam, what's your take? How happy are you?
Very happy, very thankful, very excited. I feel so blessed that I could see a day like this. Every actor dreams to be a part of a good project and then for it to be successful at the box office. So this has happened with me on my third film in Hindi cinema. That means a lot.
I was about to come to that. Sonam, you are basically the Lal Pari of Bollywood this year. How are you? Everything you're touching is turning to gold.
Well, that's very kind of you to say that. I think I was blessed to meet some really talented, visionary people, when I entered Hindi films, starting with Sajid sir, who thought, he'll be the first one to launch me in Hindi films. And then, of course, Anshul to trust me with a film where, only, like, of course, everybody loves Harsh and, he's such a prominent face for this film. And Harsh, Anshul, Milap, they thought that I could do something like this because so far I haven't done such a, how do I find that word? Like I've been a part of 2 other films, लेकिन ये वो पहली फिल्म है जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि as a performer also, I had a better chance, in this film as a performer, as an actor. So thanks to them for trusting me that I could do something like this.
Of course.
She's being humble, but the most prominent person in this film, the most prominent entity, the only star in this film was and is Sonam Bajwa. So she's just being nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cute.
He's very kind. A bunch of really kind people who are being kind to me right now. They'll just pull my leg after some time.
But this film, as you can see, it's also running in the trailer is running in the backdrop. It's also a lot about close-up shots, which means you have to be really, really clear about what the emotions should be portrayed. How big a challenge is that? A film that...
That's very nice of you to even notice that.
I'm saying wow because it's a really good question.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy somebody noticed that. Close-up shots.
Actually, I feel like that's very Milap's. It's his vision, like it's his palette, his taste, like how he would like to plan the shot. I think he really likes to have a tighter shot, not show how the set is. Especially, I think in this film, even that was my observation that he really. There are a lot of close-ups because he would want everybody to feel the emotion that the actor is feeling. I think that's what I understand out of this.
And also you're in a set where there are loads of people. And you have to be really prompt with, if you're crying. Is laughing harder or is crying harder? Which emotion is...
I think that is organic, that comes from within, is hard sometimes because ज़रूरी नहीं है कि उस वक्त मुझे वो emotions feel हो. We all feel those emotions. We feel like crying, we feel like being really angry, or we want to laugh. But sometimes, I have faced this personally that I wasn't able to access that emotion, But sometimes, it just flows organically. वो जो माहौल होता है set पे. I think कुछ scenes थे हमारी film में जहाँ पर, at least for me, it was really easy to, flow within those emotions.
I think मेरे जैसा अगर career अगर हो किसी का तो crying scenes are easier.
But Harsh, is it, choosing a film so intense as the one that you did, Ek Diwani Ki Diwani. So is it? Do you owe a lot of it to how you started your career with Sanam Teri Kasam?
100%. Why not? I owe a lot of it to my childhood to start with.
Okay.
And credit starts from there. Credit देना ही है तो. So the kind of childhood God decided to show me or expose me to, that's where it starts, and that's where I think my soul starts gravitating towards these kind of films, and that's how maybe I jumped into Sanam Teri Kasam. While everyone even back then said कि क्या तू debut कर रहा है, रोती हुई film से debut करने वाले हैं, don't do this, do a happy film, And I chose that film, and I begged my director producers to cast me. They had already cast another guy by the time I reached. Yeah, so I begged them for an audition. I told them this is me, and they were like कि भाई time waste कर रहे हो आप, लड़का बगल वाले ऑफिस में बैठ के स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा है जिसको हम कास्ट कर चुके हैं.
The person was a newcomer?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I kept begging, kept requesting, pleading, and finally उन्होंने अपने AD से कहा, रवि जी से बोला कि यार इसका ऑडिशन लेके इसको भेजो. तो मैंने एक सीन किया, लिफ्ट वाला सीन. तो वो देख के फिर वो अंदर चले गए. 1 घंटे बाद वापस आए, कहते फिर से करो. उनको लगा तुक्का है, तो उन्होंने कहा फिर से करो. मैं फिर से किया. एंड देन दे वेंट बैक इन. 1.5 घंटे बाद आए एंड विनय सर ही हैड टीयर्स इन हिज आईज. ही हग्ड मी. कहते तुमने हमारा बहुत नुकसान ऑलरेडी कर दिया है क्योंकि हमें सब कुछ चेंज करना पड़ेगा. एंड देन मैंने कहा सर एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है. बोले क्या? मैंने कहा सर वॉशरूम जाना है. तो बोले वो चले जाओ बगल वाले ऑफिस में. तो मैं गया तो वहाँ पे वो लड़का एक्चुअली बैठा था एंड ही वाज रीडिंग द स्क्रिप्ट. आई डिडंट हैव द गट्स टू लुक एट हिम बिकॉज आई न्यू द न्यूज़, ही डिडंट. जब मैं गया अंदर और जब मैं बाहर आ रहा था तो वो भी बाहर जा रहा था एंड वी क्रॉस्ड ईच अदर. And so it's always it goes back to what you were exposed to as a child, and that's what I'm trying to bring into my roles. And Radhika ma'am, Vinay sir very beautifully tapped into it. Milap sir is very beautifully tapped into it, and I'm looking forward to burn myself doing these roles.
Yeah. So that's how Sanam Teri Kasam happened. Also, Anshul, from a producer's point of view, okay, the film released on October 21st and clashed with Thama at the box office. जबकि एक window open था 17th of October, it was a Friday, leading to Diwali. What was your decision? Why did you take the decision to release a film with a box office clash?
So 17th जो date है जो कि before 4 days before we released, वो जो डेट है उसमें क्या होता है, वो उस टाइम बॉक्स ऑफिस सबसे वीकेस्ट होता है क्योंकि पीपल आर बिजी इन देयर दिवाली पूजाज एंड ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं, छुट्टियां होती हैं. दिवाली के बाद जो सबसे पहला दिन होता है दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट बॉक्स ऑफिस डे ऑफ द ईयर. तो वी वर टारगेटिंग दैट. थामा वॉज ऑलरेडी अनाउंस्ड ऑन दैट डे एंड वी न्यू दैट बॉक्स ऑफिस जो दिवाली का है, लास्ट ईयर भी देखें उससे पहले का भी देखें तो 70-75 करोड़ बॉक्स ऑफिस होता है दिवाली पे अगर बड़ी पिक्चरें, बड़े एक्टर्स की पिक्चरें आ रही हैं. सो इतनी कैपेसिटी इंडिया सिनेमा की है कि वो इतनी ऑडियंसेस को थिएटर में अकोमोडेट कर सकती है. एंड थामा वाज फ्रॉम अ यूनिवर्स बट इट वाज जो उनका कैरेक्टर है वो नया है, फर्स्ट टाइम आया है. तो आई हैड अ फीलिंग दैट दोनों फिल्में बैलेंस आउट हो जाएंगी, दोनों को इक्वल शेयर ऑफ स्क्रीन्स मिल जाएंगी और हम रिलीज़ कर पाएंगे. हालांकि हमें नहीं मिली बिकॉज वी वर अ स्मॉल फिल्म. वी गॉट अराउंड 35-40% ऑफ शो केसिंग. बट थैंकफुली फिल्म इज़ गुड, म्यूजिक हैज़ डन वेल एंड वी ओपनड एट अ ग्रेट नंबर. हम 10 करोड़ प्लस में खुले and we did well, yeah. Even on a clash we opened. अगर मैं normal Friday पे आता तो I don't know क्या number होता, but because we came on Diwali और picture लोग गाने सुन रहे थे, title song पे दीवानगी already फैल चुकी थी. We were sitting at 700K reels, सब जगह गाने बज रहे थे, रेडियो पे नंबर 1, टीवी पे नॉन स्टॉप बज रहा था गाना. तो आई थिंक इट वाज अ ग्रेट डे टू रिलीज. एंड क्लैश पे भी आए बट अच्छी बैटिंग की हमने.
So do you think अगर थामा नहीं होता so the film would have done even better commercially?
Sure, 100%. हम 25 करोड़ पे खुलते पहले दिन.
Harsh was saying something.
ऐसे तो मतलब हम रास्ते पे निकलते तो हम विश करते हैं कि ट्रैफिक नहीं होता तो हम जल्दी, मतलब लोग तो रहेंगे हमेशा, पीपल विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. वी कांट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग कि सामने कोई ना हो. और जब इस तरह का आपका पर्सोना हो, what he carries, the belief system that he carries, तो I don't think he would ever dream of coming alone. और वैसे भी साल में सिर्फ 52 वीक्स ही होते हैं. लोग कहते हैं अरे तुम अलग डेट पे क्यों नहीं आए. भाई फिल्में बन रही है 400-600, बाहर से अभी आ रही हैं, साउथ से भी, हर तरफ से, और सिर्फ 52 वीक्स ही हैं. तो क्लैश इज़ इनएविटेबल. दैट्स वाई ये लॉजिकलेस डिस्कशन है कि अरे 2 बड़ी फिल्में एक साथ क्यों आ गई जो 200 करोड़ की फिल्में आती हैं, क्योंकि 52 हफ्ते ही हैं आपके पास.
Right.
आप कभी लाओगे उनको अलग से. So
and it also comes from the fact that you have a lot of trust in your project, in the work that you do, कि आने दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, we'll figure it out.
Trust in the project plus I believe हमने जिस तरीके से काम किया इस पे, और जो डेट, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि वो डेट बड़ी अच्छी मुझे लगी. मुझे आई रिमेंबर द कॉन्वर्सेशन दैट आई हैड विद हर्ष. ही द रिएक्शन ही गेव टू मी दैट दिवाली पे आ रहे भाई, मैं दिवाली पे आऊँगा. तो वो उस दिन जब मैंने जो खुशी हर्ष की देखी, वो जब हमने लॉक करी थी पिक्चर उस दिन वो खुशी देखी, जब हमने दिवाली डेट लॉक करी तब वो खुशी देखी. और मैंने हर्ष को प्रॉमिस किया कि मैं जब भी पिक्चर बनाऊंगा हर्ष के साथ हम एक हॉलीडे पे ही आएंगे.
There are more films incoming?
Yeah,
हाँ, एक
The three of you
he's planned
together?
something. Yeah,
Two
well,
of
of
them.
course, of course.
अगर सोनम हम
सोनम की डेट्स बहुत मुश्किल हैं लीना इंडस्ट्री में.
Yeah, right.
छोटी फिल्मों के
तो
लिए.
अब
Oh,
अब
look
जो
at
नेक्स्ट
these guys.
अगली भी हमारी जो फिल्म है वो छोटी है और लोग डर रहे हैं कि अगली पिक्चर में हुई तो ये फिर मार देगी इसको. तो
I want to live in the next film.
Is it there? Is it in the works already?
Yeah, he's.
yeah, so
planning
we are already we are in the process of like we're going to start our film in January. We'll start shooting in January. Hopefully in December we'll announce the film.
Okay. Oh wow, that's amazing. Sonam, basically, you started your career with the Punjabi film industry, steadily spread your wings, and now you're doing 3 back-to-back films in Bollywood, and you also have another lined up, which is for a Border 2. How are you taking it all in? Do you plan to now do films in Bollywood only or mix and match? What are you thinking?
I want to do good work, and Hindi films were always, one of the things that I really wanted to do. And it's happening now, and we all plan, we all have set mindsets that okay, debut होगा तो ऐसा होना चाहिए. काम wishlist सबकी होती है, मेरी भी थी. But I think this year, I just वो कहते हैं ना, I just went with the flow. तो मुझे हाउसफुल की अपॉर्चुनिटी आई. It was so I took that. Then I did Baghi, and how this film came my way is also just, I don't know how it happened, but I'm very glad it happened. So I definitely plan to do more work here, and the idea is to also do at least one Punjabi film a year and then do films in Hindi.
So that both sides of fans are happy.
Yeah, I think so.
Is there anything you can tell us about Border 2?
No, nothing.
Nothing at all?
Nothing at all.
I can tell you something.
Yes,
it's
please.
It's going to be the biggest blockbuster.
Oh.
Sonam again wherever she goes, she spreads box office.
Would you like to work in a full action film or a army film like that? I mean, going forward?
Honestly, I've never given too much importance to what I want to do. I always believe it has to be profitable for the producer. So the only genre I want to focus on is a profitable film genre. So I don't have any fantasy of doing this kind of or that kind of film. I just wanted to make some money for the producer.
So basically you are not a मुझे 5 साल में अपने आप को यहाँ देखना है kind of person. Like कल देखते क्या होता है?
मैं 5 साल बाद मुझे पता है मैं किसी जंगल में ही घूम रहा हूँगा तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा कुछ वो doubts नहीं है कि I have come from the roads and I'll be around. I'll be interacting with the nature somewhere. इतना मुझे clear है.
Wow.
It's very easy. You just need 20 years of non-stop belief and blind walking. And you have to get up, do a list of things every day, and sleep, and just check कुछ result आया नहीं आया तो just flip the page quickly and don't think about it. And it's very easy. You just need 20 years at the max.
Okay.
मेरे पास थे वो, but I pray and wish किसी aspiring actor को इतना time ना लगे. But it is fairly easy, and I want to take this fear out of the aspiring actors. You hear these fancy words like nepotism, outsider,
yeah.
Please उन words को 2025 में last time use करना. 2026 से please वो भूल जाओ, कुछ नया word ढूंढो क्योंकि ये excuse की तरह use हो रहा है. So I would request everyone to not believe in वो जो भूत की कहानियाँ होती है ना उसमें मत मानो. आप बाहर जाओ, एंजॉय करो, जहाँ आपको जाना है, डरो मत, डर निकाल दो क्योंकि होता है यहाँ पे. सारे टॉप 10 लिस्ट में 7 लोग बाहर से ही हैं.
Of course. Sonam, would you like to add on to it?
Like he said, I would agree that it is not a very easy easy profession, but no profession, I think every job comes with their own set of challenges. मेहनत तो आपको आप किसी भी फील्ड में करनी ही पड़ेगी. तो अगर आप मेहनती हैं, अगर आप फोकस्ड हैं, अगर आप डिसिप्लिन में मानते हैं और एंड इफ़ योर इंटेंशंस आर ट्रू, आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इंडस्ट्री. इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू फुलफिल योर ड्रीम्स. मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि आप डॉक्टर बनेंगे, इंजीनियर बनेंगे, तो ऑफ कोर्स आप लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, बहुत अच्छी जॉब है, लेकिन ये एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है कि आप पैसा भी अर्न करते हैं, आपको इतनी शोहरत भी मिलती है और आपको इतना प्यार मिलता है. मुझे नहीं लगता कोई और ऐसा प्रोफेशन है. सो इफ़ यू आर चोजन फॉर दिस, तो प्लीज़ अपना जी जान लगाइए. वर्क विद अ लॉट ऑफ इंटेग्रिटी, कीप योर वैल्यूज़ इंटैक्ट, कीप योर फोकस रियली शार्प, एंड देन आई फील लाइक स्काई इज़ द लिमिट. थोड़ा शायद टाइम लग सकता है, बट you'll make it.
Yeah.
I believe, yeah.
Of course. Wow, well put. And coming to the last few questions before we get on to a segment, sometimes when, actors, is it true that actors cannot afford to be sensitive? I mean, you read something about yourself.
I feel actors are very
Most
sensitive people.
They cannot afford to be. Like, I am sensitive, but if I read something about myself and it just hits me, कि क्या है? What is the source? Or, I mean, why is it? I mean, how is it like?
No, I think just like how getting wet in rain might, give you a cold.
Yeah.
But आपको आदत पड़ जाती है फिर कि भाई नहाना और बारिश में भीगना दो अलग चीज़ें. So when we want to be sensitive, we are in front of the camera.
Yeah.
And then when we are outside, कोई भी पानी फेंक देगा हमारे ऊपर, तो हमें समझना है कि ये बारिश का पानी. तो दिस इज़ नॉट टेकिंग, इट इज़ नॉट अ पर्सनल थिंग. एंड मैं पर्सनली हमेशा एक डायरी रखता हूँ जिसमें जैसे ही आप कुछ मेरे लिए नेगेटिव फीडबैक देंगे, आई विल bow down, sit down and write it.
Really?
And I go back home and I start working on it. And मुझे जितना आप रेजिस्टेंस देंगे, मेरी कुछ ऐसी फिजियोलॉजी ऐसी है मेरी बॉडी की कि वो उतना ज़्यादा आई स्टार्ट वर्किंग हार्ड. इट्स लाइक फ्यूल, आप लकड़ी डाल रहे हो आग में. तो आई रियली वैल्यू negative feedback.
Is this clarity, does this also come from the fact that you are doing, a course on psychology?
नहीं, वो मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
मतलब ये this is what
Does
I've been
this
thinking
कि I
for.
need to understand myself better, so let me just.
नहीं, साइकोलॉजी को काफ़ी मिस इंटरप्रेट किया जाता है. कई बार बोला जाता है, अंशुल भाई कहते हैं बटन दबा के ऐसा कुछ सर दर्द कम करने का ऐसा कुछ, इसमें कोई जादू नहीं है. इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक जैसे आर्किटेक्चर है, तो उसमें हाउ यू लुक एट अ बिल्डिंग एंड यू हैव अ नेम फॉर द डिज़ाइन. जैसे कुछ आपके कॉस्ट्यूम, आपने ये शायद चिकन का इसको काम बोलते हैं. तो मैंने अगर फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग किया है, आई कैन लेबल इट. ये चिकन है, ये इसको क्या बोलते हैं सुना? मल. ये मल है. तो मुझे ये जो नॉलेज है लेबलिंग की, ये है मेरा कोर्स. इसका ये मतलब नहीं मैं बना सकता हूँ ये, या मैं ये बता सकता हूँ जो पहनने वाला कौन है. इट इज़ जस्ट आई नो व्हाट टू कॉल इट. I can't
identify,
correct. So I can't read people, और मैं अपने आप को कुछ बेहतरीन इंसान नहीं बना सकता इससे. It is just that I have a tool to label things.
Okay.
Okay. I'm in my second year, first year मैंने top किया था.
Oh yes, you put up a post also. Congratulations.
Thank you. Through that also I want to empower people जिनकी पढ़ाई छूट गई है मेरी तरह, कि कर लो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Just
if you can juggle your work and studies, of course you can do it. Sonam, do you have a mantra of sorts to survive bad days at work?
Prayers. I think my secret is prayer. I've learned this at a very young age, and it has worked for me, that every time there's a problem, rather than running to human beings, first run to God. So I do that. Sometimes I fail, I don't do it perfectly, but my source of strength comes from my relationship with God, my faith, and the secret sauce is God for me.
Talking about secret sauce, I want to introduce you all and your news channel to a secret sauce of this film.
Okay.
Can I call for Raghav? Is he around? Raghav, can you come please? So this film came opposite a 200 crore rupee film.
Okay.
And this is, as you know by now, it's a 25 crore.
Yeah.
And this man single-handedly
Who's
ensured.
blushing right now?
he-
As he walks.
So this is the secret sauce of this film. and he
Hi,
ensured
hi.
that this film reaches the audience digitally. And of course he had Anshul Bhai's support, but he went and executed everything on ground. And I want this message to go out to the producers that it can't be made by one person. You need this team. There are 2 more people. There's Aman Gill, who strategized the whole marketing. There's Gaurav Verma. There's a Gaurav Verma who distributed the film. So these are the secret sauces, and this is the good-looking secret sauce.
Now I want to show you something.
Yes, yes.
He's one of the best actors we have ever worked with.
So sweet.
Really?
Thank you, Mehbhai. Thank you.
It's your first film.
Music video किया है ना इतने सारे. We have done a
And what about me?
I said he's the best actor in a male.
What about me?
He was coming to you. He was coming to you.
Let me see.
Yes, Pulling.
But
Yes,
thank you.
please. Two lines about Sonam too. No,
Sonam
we
is very good to work with. Very nice.
What?
Yeah, I love.
I know these two are like that.
Take two one more time.
These
Good to work with.
Make it genuine.
अरे genuinely बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
But thank you, Rajesh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sorry, I disturbed you. You're sleeping. I saw.
Okay, now we'll get on with a quick rapid fire.
Ji.
Okay, we'll start with Harsh, and then I have a new set of questions for you, and then Anshul too. Okay, let's do this.
Ji. Rapid fire.
I always get scared.
Okay, so bilkul jaldi you have to answer. Okay, so Harsh, one thing that makes you a divana in real life.
Shiddat, the way I pursue my career.
Okay, if you had to dedicate one song to Sonam, what would that be?
कोई ऐसा गाना है जो मतलब सब गा रहे हैं, पूरा देश गा रहा है कोई एक इंसान के लिए.
गड्डी तेरे चढ़ती.
Anshul?
कुछ तो होगा ऐसा गाना भाई. आपको भाई प्लीज हेल्प मी.
क्या पूरा
भाई
देश
ऐसा जो पूरे देश के लड़के गा रहे हैं.
Harsh, sing one line from
आपको
Sanam.
बोला है
Only
तू
ना.
ही अरमा तू ही सच.
तू ही अरमा तू ही सच है.
Sing a line for us, no?
हाँ,
one.
सिंगल है. सिंग
Yeah, एक line.
एग्जैक्टली जो चीज मुझे आती
He
नहीं
even
है.
agreed to sing. Okay. Then he said, oh, sing.
क्यों शो खराब कर रहे हो?
अरे
अपना?
कुछ खराब, just one line.
नहीं,
गा दो.
let this be for the experts.
Sonam will join you.
नहीं
वो गा दो.
नहीं,
गड्डी
नहीं,
मुझे आता नहीं.
Anshul, you have to, please. You have to convince Harsh to sing one line.
Harsh,
नहीं, जो काम खराब करना है वो करना ही.
अच्छा एक डायलॉग बुलवा.
अच्छा हाँ, dialogue. Okay, that works.
डायलॉग ये है कि सोनम, तुम हमेशा कहती थी कि मैं तुम्हारी जिंदगी का रावण हूँ. मैं जिंदगी में इतिहास का पहला रावण हूँ जो सीता को घर छोड़ के आया.
Woohoo!
और सोनम बेवफा नहीं है.
Okay. If एक दीवाने की दीवानियत had a sequel and you cannot have the same name, what would it be? You can collaborate on this answer.
दीवानियत.
दीवानियत.
Are we planning a divaniyat?
You don't want to give out that title?
No.
Oh, good.
Let
that's I
India
stopped
TV be the
myself.
exclusive. No, give it to us.
नहीं वो टाइटल अभी मिला नहीं है अभी.
हाँ, इसलिए नहीं बोल पा रहे क्योंकि हम legally we are trying to
Okay,
request.
okay. But divaniyat might come. Might.
मतलब दीवानियत
See, उसके अभी पाइपलाइन में और दूसरी चीजें चल रही हैं तो आई वांट कि ये कंज्यूम हो जाए पहले पूरी तरीके से. ये अभी कंज्यूम नहीं हुई है. हमारी 150 करोड़ की ऑडियंस है. वो हम 5, 6, 7, 10 करोड़ लोगों तक पहुंच जाएं और वो 10 करोड़ लोग फैंस बन जाएं इस पिक्चर के तो फिर लाने का मजा है. फिर वो जज्बा एक अलग होगा, एक फील अलग होगी.
But then Anshul, we'll let you go this time. I mean, with the whole revelation thing, if you promise that India TV को आप बताओगे when it's finalized.
मोना. Done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, and Harsh, the last rapid fire question
Yeah.
for you is one habit you'll never change for love.
For
Love. For somebody you love, one habit that you'll never change in yourself.
to not expect much. I
Okay.
think that is the healthiest habit to have in a affair, in a career, in a relationship, in normal life. Do not expect much.
That's some gold advice. Okay, Sonam, to you. Define Diwani in one line.
That's also rapid fire for
Yes.
me. Oh, Diwani in one line.
Yes.
Line.
Yeah. A word, a line, anything.
Very rapid.
Oh, guys, I suck at this.
Rapid.
Okay, rapid नहीं करते.
Help me, guys. Help me. Diwani in one line.
Okay, define love in one line. What?
Life. For me, love is life. I mean, मेरी ज़िंदगी बहुत फीकी होगी if I don't romanticize life and love and yeah, a fairy tale like.
Take your बच्चे लोगों का नाम, you know.
Simba मेरी ज़िंदगी मेरा बच्चा. He's the love of my life. Yeah, my dog.
Yeah.
I love dogs. They're one of the finest creations from God. Every day I thank God for making dogs.
Oh.
Yeah.
And a Punjabi word that perfectly describes Harsh.
Punjabi word that describe her. Slang. Okay, one slang. Gabru.
No?
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
Okay. One thing your fans would be divane to know about you. Something that they don't know.
How do I know what do
Something that they don't know about you. Yet.
Oh no.
Something what no, I think they pretty much जितना जो पता होना चाहिए उनको पता है.
There's no secrets.
No, there's no secret.
Okay. And the last one, what's the most romantic thing someone's done for you?
Nothing.
Called you madam.
No, stop it.
इनके घर के पास एक स्टॉकर जाके बाहर लेट गए थे, तो that could be also.
That's so
But
romantic.
he's being romantic.
No, that's not
But how can
romantic.
you
That's
cancel a
making
person just because
somebody uncomfortable, right? Coming to the house without permission, then lying on the floor, rolling on the floor. So that's not romantic at all.
Oh no, what did you do about it?
We had to call the police because the person was refusing to leave.
No.
Yeah, that's not romantic, guys. तो इस चीज को जो भी रोमांस समझता है प्लीज ऐसा ना करें.
अगर ऐसी हरकतें आप लोग करेंगे तो आपके साथ वो हो सकता है जो मेरे कैरेक्टर के साथ हुआ था फिल्म के अंत में. प्लीज गाइस बी जेंटल टू गर्ल्स, लिसन टू देम, लिसन टू द क्यूज एंड रीड बिटवीन द लाइंस. ज़रूरी नहीं है वो कुछ बोलें, उनके एक्शंस बिहेवियर से आप प्लीज़ भाप लीजिए कि वो कितना कंफर्टेबल हैं.
Of course. And Anshul, complete this sentence, okay? A film producer is divana for?
Box office.
क्या बात है.
I saw it coming.
No, but I can promise you not all film producers
Are so straight and
are
know
so
what-
straight and also they're not box office oriented. उन लोगों को शायद कुछ और भी चाहिए होता है. So he's very clear about that.
Yeah, absolutely. The one artist you would love to cast next with Harshvardhan and Sonam.
With Harsh, I would like to cast Shraddha,
Okay.
and I would like to see Sonam with Ranveer Singh.
Oh wow.
क्या बात है. Too good.
Okay, we are manifesting this for you. For
I am
both
also
of you.
manifesting a Sonam Bajwa John Abraham film. Somehow, I've been always expressing this to her. I've seen that visual.
Okay.
I feel that look really amazing.
Okay, so we've
Of course,
successfully.
Ranveer Singh sir, of course, but this also, like 2 films.
So we have successfully manifested this at India TV. Okay.
And I also manifest that I produce both the films.
Oh yes, of course.
Lovely. Of
Perfect
course.
producer. but also again, if there's a film which has Sonam and Harsh both, and you are making a film on a love triangle, who would the third person be?
Sonam and Harsh and Love Triangle guy.
Yeah.
Could be Shad Randhawa.
I think Avinash Tiwari.
So
Oh,
sweet.
very good actor.
Yeah.
Great choice.
Okay. And the last one for you, Anshul. OTT or theatre, where does Ek Diwani ki Diwaniya truly belong?
Theatre.
So शुरू से you knew it's
OTT की डील नहीं करी इन्होंने.
not yet?
नहीं. Not yet नहीं, अभी तो they are talking, but release तक इन्होंने नहीं.
You don't have a OTT plan for the film.
He
No,
didn't
no, of
have.
course
Now, of
we'll
course.
be there.
Now you do,
Now
but
we
when
are-
you started off,
No,
He didn't go
plans.
the other way. वही मैं आपको
Yeah,
बार-बार बोल रहा हूँ.
yeah,
ज़्यादातर
yeah.
प्रोड्यूसर्स पहले OTT को बेच-बाच के फिर धीरे से इधर आते हैं.
correct.
इन्होंने उल्टा रूट लिया.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's really amazing.
So क्या होता है अगर हम ट्रेलर टीजर में जो सी देर आर पीपल हु आर वेरी एंथू सिनेमा लवर, वो तो थिएटर जाएंगे अगर उनको कैरेक्टर समझ में आ रहा है, हीरो हीरोइन पसंद है, गाने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. बट देर आर सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ ऑडियंस जो कि मेरे रिलेटिव्स जिनको मैं जानता हूँ कि ये तो नेटफ्लिक्स लिखा हुआ है तो आ ही जाएगी, 4 हफ्ते ही तो हैं, देख लेंगे क्या हो गया. देर आर पीपल लाइक दैट. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू, बिकॉज मेरा there is no announcement that I've done an OTT deal or satellite deal. तो ये पिक्चर बाद में कहाँ होगी, कब देख पाएंगे, कब मौका लगेगा. I wanted that feeling for all the people who are like dicey about going to the theaters. So that's why also I didn't go to them only.
That's very sorted, you know. Of course.
Sorted से ज़्यादा financially it's a very brave call.
Yeah, it's a very brave call. Absolutely. And the last two questions that I have for you. So love stories, like we were talking in the beginning, it comes with its own risks, you know. कि पसंद आता है, but then कभी-कभी होता है कि doesn't work. You know, we had a Sayyara this year which worked brilliantly. We have your film which is doing so well. Were you okay कि अगर film by chance if it doesn't work, were you okay to take the brickbats?
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमारी मेमोरी सिर्फ 6 महीने की होती है. फेब में मेरी सनम तेरी कसम भी आई.
Yeah, re-release, yeah.
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई ऐसा सेफ जॉनरा है दुनिया में. सारे जॉनरा में रिस्क है. एक्शन फिल्म्स भी कुछ चलती हैं, कुछ नहीं चलती हैं. तो ये बिजनेस ही ऐसा है. तो मैं तो बल्कि इस जॉनरा का बहुत बड़ा सपोर्टर हूँ. और I want to be stereotyped also. I am looking forward to being typecast.
Wow.
ये टाइपकास्ट होने चाहते हैं, लेकिन इनकी अगली पिक्चर मैं अलग जॉनरा की कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, correct.
अब इतना टीज कर दिया तो बता दीजिए.
यही टीज है बस.
Okay, and Sonam, when you were shooting for the film, this film is very blatant, pure, very जुनूनी love kind of a film. कभी-कभी शूट करते हुए ऐसा लगा कि नहीं, थोड़ा टोन डाउन करती हूँ, ज़्यादा हो गया है.
हाँ, ऐसा बहुत बार लगता था, बहुत बार. और इस बात पे मेरी और मिलाप की बहुत लंबी लंबी डिस्कशंस भी होती थी. बट आई कैन ऑलवेज, ओह गॉड, हर्ष,
कहाँ से लाते हैं ये सवाल?
हमें लगता था, डिस्कशंस होते थे. बट अगेन, लाइक यू हैव टू गो विद योर डायरेक्टर्स conviction, because it is his faith. You can always have a point of view, you can always discuss. In fact, you can even argue a little bit if you have that kind of equation with the director. But at the end of the day, you have to respect that he's written it, it's his vision and he wants to do it this way. Maybe you can add a little bit. So yes, at times मुझे लगता था मेरे comfort से मुझे बाहर आना पड़ा ये करने के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने इस तरह का, पहली बात मैंने अभी तक रोमांटिक फिल्म ही नहीं की थी इतनी सारी फिल्में करने के बावजूद. एंड दिस स्पेस वाज वेरी न्यू. At times I did feel that is it a bit much, but मिलाप was very clear ये किस सेक्शन ऑफ ऑडियंस के लिए है जो बहुत enjoy करती है ये, तो ये करो, ये मेरा विजन है, ये कहानी की डिमांड है, and we did it.
हर्ष, आपको कुछ ऐड करना है? आपको लगा कभी कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया इमोशंस, थोड़ा कम करता हूँ?
मैं तो ज़्यादा ही करने के लिए पैदा हुआ हूँ, तो मैं तो शुरू से ही ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ ये सब. मैंने करियर की शुरुआत में ये सब कर दिया था. तो मेरे आई डोंट शाई अवे फ्रॉम
Going overboard
tier
or
2,
something.
tier 3, B center, C center audience. I am from a small town. I really value little drama. I know Indian audience likes drama.
Yeah.
And if it's genuine drama, they will buy into your world. If it's for effect, then वो देख लेंगे कि नहीं यार ये ऐसे ही कर रहा है effect के लिए. तो मेरा ये मुद्दा था कि मैं ड्रामे का हिस्सा बनूंगा, लेकिन मैं बहुत दिल से करूँगा, तो वो शायद बाय कर लेंगे. तो कोशिश करिए. हर बार करते हैं, कई बार फेल होते हैं, कई बार कुछ बार लकी हो जाते हैं. So I am all in for high drama.
Okay. So Harsh, the last question. You are next working on Anshul's project.
Yeah.
And Sonam, Border 2, it's for you. Many congratulations firstly for Ek Deewane Ki Diwaniyat.
Thank you.
I hope the film reaches 100 crores super soon.
Thank you.
Manifesting this again.
Thank you.
And all the very best for your next upcoming projects. And I hope to speak to all the three of you sometime very soon.
Wow. Looking forward.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank
great
you.
questions.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.